Welcome, dear students, in the accounting class. Today we will teach you how to post in ledger and ledger accounts. First of all, you should know what is posting. Posting is a transfer of journal entry into the account of ledger. So there are some rules for this. I already taught you the 3 rules of journal entry of double entry systems. Here there are also 3 rules. You have to remember these rules, and it is very easy for you to post journal entry to ledger accounts. First, one account will open one time. One account will open one time. Suppose this is a Mohan account. Okay, Mohan account. We deal with Mohan 10,000 times in a 1 month, but we open Mohan account one time, only one time, and all the transactions posting after journal entry in Mohan account. Whether we receive the money, whether we pay the money, whether we receive goods, whether we sold the goods to Mohan, whatsoever the deal we have taken with Mohan. Second rule, we show account in the debit side with 2 and show account in the credit side with buy. When we open the account and its debit side we will show with 2. And in the credit side we show with buy. It is very simple rule. And third rule of posting, debited in the journal entry and posting in the debit side of same account. If any account will debit in journal entry, we open same account and will debit the credited account in this account. Okay, credited in the journal entry, we will post the credit side of same account. If any account credit in the journal entry, we open the same account and its credit side we will show the other account and amount. For example, we have bought the goods with cash 10,000, purchase account debit, cash account. We have to post this simple way. We are posting. This is a ledger. We open purchase account. Okay, this is a debit side and this is a credit side. Because this account is debit, so this rule will apply. Okay, so other account will debit in this account to cash account 10,000. Now other account is cash account. It will have 2 sides, debit and credit. Okay, cash account credit in the journal entry and its posting in the credit side of same account in the cash account. By other account, purchase account. $10,000. Okay, dear, hope you will understand how to post the journal entry in the ledger account. Very simple. First rule, one account will open one time. Second, in the debit side of account 2, we will start with 2, in the credit side with buy. And third rule is very simple. If any account will debit in the journal entry, we open same account and in the debit side will be other account and amount. And if any amount and account credit in the journal entry, we open same account. Okay, if any account already opened, we also in the credit side of other account with same amount. Hope this lesson you will understand, and you try to practice with some examples of your textbook. Okay, thank you very much.